Factorize completely 49x square plus 28xy plus 4y square. So here the question is 49x square plus 28xy plus 4y square. So if you'll observe carefully, here it is a square because 7x whole square. This is 2y whole square. So there are high chances that we can use directly identity, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square, but we need to check for 2ab. But if it is in this form like a square plus 2ab plus b square, we can write as a plus b whole square. So we'll check for whether 2ab will fit or not. So first I'll write empty a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here 49 is 7 square, 7x, 4y I'll write as 2y. Now here this will, a is 7x and b is 2y. So 7x and 2y. So clearly see 2 times 7, 14, 14 into 2, 28, 28xy. So it fits perfectly. So I can write directly a plus b whole square, that is 7x plus 2y whole square. Or you can write this answer in another form like 7x plus 2y into 7x plus 2y.